Hello everyone! In this video, I will guide you how to get sound on your MSI monitor speaker. First, check your physical connections. Make sure you are using an HDMI or DisplayPort cable. These cables carry both video and audio signals at the same time. If you are using a VGA cable, it will not transmit sound, so you will not hear anything from your monitor. Next, set your MSI monitor as the default audio output device on your computer. If you are using Windows, go to the bottom right corner of your screen and right-click on the speaker icon. Then select Open Sound Settings or Sounds. Look for the Output section and choose your MSI monitor from the list. It may appear with the model name or as a display device. Once selected, your system will send audio to the monitor instead of other devices. After that, check the monitor's internal settings. Use the joystick or buttons located on the back or bottom of the monitor to open the on-screen display menu. Navigate to the Audio or Volume section. Make sure the volume is turned up and not muted. Sometimes the monitor volume is set to 0 by default, which can cause confusion. Now test the sound by playing a video or music file. If you still do not hear anything, try restarting your computer and rechecking all the steps carefully. Thanks for watching.